In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a supplemental data feed source in Google Merchant Center next. This can be a useful feature for anyone looking to enhance their product data with additional information. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you have everything you need to get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Merchant Center by visiting business.google.com in Merchant Center. This is where you'll conduct all the necessary tasks to enable your supplemental feeds. Once you are on the Merchant Center homepage, take a look at the upper right corner. You'll see a sign in button. Click on this button and select Merchant Center to proceed. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Just use your Google credentials to access your account. In case you've signed in previously, you'll be directed straight to your Merchant Center dashboard where you will conduct all your activities. Next, on your Merchant Center page, focus once again on the upper right corner. Here you'll notice a gear icon that signifies the settings menu. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu where you need to select add-ons. Once in the add-ons section, keep your eyes peeled for the advanced data source management segment. This is where you will make some changes to enable supplemental feeds. Under this section there will be a button labeled add. Clicking this will activate the option for supplemental data feeds, allowing you to expand and improve the data associated with your products. Now that the feature is enabled, navigate back to your main Merchant Center dashboard and look for the Products menu. Within this menu, you'll find an option to view data sources. This area is essential for accessing and managing the various data sources connected to your account. Next, locate the Supplemental Sources tab. This is where you will have the opportunity to add supplemental product data. To do so, click on the button that says Add Supplemental Product Data. This will give you options to input additional product information that can improve the visibility and effectiveness of your listings. You will then be presented with the choice of how to add your supplemental data. You may opt to add products from a file, or if you have the setup, you can add products from an API. These options provide flexibility in managing your product data. Finally, you'll need to complete the methodology you chose, either uploading a file containing your data or connecting your API. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure all your data is properly uploaded or connected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled and added a supplemental data feed in Google Merchant Center. This simple yet powerful tool can greatly aid in enhancing the information available for your products and ultimately their performance in searches. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more tutorials and updates.